I am pleased once again to welcome His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Javad Zarif, the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Iran, to South Africa for the 11th session of the Joint Commission between our two countries. The Joint Commission remains one of South Africa's longest-serving and most successful structured bilateral mechanisms. We had a fruitful discussion this morning on various issues of bilateral and multilateral concern, including on peace and security issues, particularly Middle East and Africa. Iran occupies a special place in our hearts and in our country for the role it played in our liberation struggle. Iran, as a founding member of the Nal movement and current chair of this august organization, continues to champion the cause of developing countries. The Islamic Republic of Iran is a critical country in the Middle East region whose influence needs to be recognized as being essential to the resolution of challenges in that region. South Africa and Iran have common similarities that go beyond the fact that both people's struggles for national liberation had been intertwined. Our two countries share compatible economies that can benefit from greater trade, skills transfer of technology and technology transfers, technology research and development. The Joint Commission afforded us an opportunity, Your Excellency, to give practical expression to these areas of cooperation. In the past 2 days, subcommittees have looked at specific areas of cooperation, the outcomes of which can only benefit both our economies. At the private sector level, the future indicates greater exchange of both goods and services of the two countries. South Africa welcomes the ongoing positive developments that come with the negotiations, Your Excellency, between the Islamic Republic of Iran and the P5+1. We are hopeful that the positive outcomes of these talks will open avenues for the people of Iran to exercise their political, economic, and social ingenuity, thus making the world more peaceful and prosperous. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Iran for its support of our candidature to the Human Rights Council. South Africa shall continue to uphold and champion human rights as enshrined in our Constitution. We have today signed a joint communique which elaborates on the issues discussed and the areas identified for our cooperation. I also look forward to our further engagement and convening of the 12th session of the Joint Commission for the consolidation of our bilateral relations. As I said, this would be hosted by your good self. We will also be celebrating 20th anniversary of our diplomatic relations, as we will be celebrating from our side equally the 20th anniversary of our freedom in South Africa in 2014. Shukran, and I thank you.